I really hope I didn't damage one of the motor brushes. Oh. Let me try a more heavy-duty tool. Ooh. God. Oh, that's awful. Oh, ugh. Thank God I have a fan here. That is so nasty. Oh, that makes me want to puke. Sorry, neighbors. That is absolutely horrific. Oh, it's still trying to go, too. This thing is nasty. All the vacuum collectors are gonna get me mad that a vintage Hoover is getting destroyed to bits. With the sledgehammer, still smells super bad. Oh, the motor completely fell apart. Wow. So that's what the inside of a Hoover vacuum looks like. And this is just all metal. That's enough for the Hoover vacuum destruction.